It's hurricane season. Emergency preparedness starts with you. So are you 2 weeks ready? Now's the time to build your family emergency kits. Water, a non-perishable food stash, and a battery-operated radio. That's just a start. Plan ahead just in case. Get yourself an accessible meeting place in the event communications go down. BePreparedHawaii.com has all the information on getting you 2 weeks ready, along with the latest hurricane forecasts, shelter locations in your area, and more. BePreparedHawaii.com, brought to you by the Hawaii Emergency Management Agency.